Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second to hit that thumbs up when you arrive. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. As I'm going to say at the beginning of all these videos, you are going to be seeing a lot of videos. I received so many boxes all on the same day that I said I'm going to sit down and I'm going to go through all of them, because prior to sitting down, I always take pictures for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. It's True Wants with the number 2. And based on those pictures, I was trying to figure out which boxes I would film today, which ones I would do tomorrow, which ones I would post first, and I couldn't make that decision. So I didn't want you to have to make that decision either. So I decided I would sit down, I would film everything, and then as it is able to upload, I will release the videos and you guys will have access to them as well. All right, so this is going to be, I never know which order, YouTube puts them up. So for me, this is going to be my second base box. I received, like I said, a slew of boxes today, and 2 of my paid versions of my 2 base boxes arrived together. And what's amazing, I was so nervous about it because my choice item, I chose the same item in both boxes, just in 2 different colors, because I really love this product so much that I've purchased it before it was even a choice item on Ipsy's add-on sales. So this is the second base box. I think there's only 1 duplicate item in here, which is fantastic because, as you know, when you have 2 boxes, you can only get them by having 2 separate accounts, and 2 separate accounts, they cannot talk together. So this is where you can end up with duplicates. But this month I got really lucky. The other thing that I got really lucky is lucky and unlucky. I got 2 $12 coupons. They said there was a duplicate in one of my boxes, and the other $12 was that Translucent palette that I didn't get. And so many of you wrote to me that you didn't get it either. And their response to me was that $12 coupon, like how everyone else got it. So that was the first thing that I thought I would spend the money on. I was hoping maybe that would be available in the Mega Drop Shop, but it wasn't. So I'm going to have to do some shopping, but I wanted to wait till my boxes came. And I put a wants list on the stuff, and everything that I put on the wants list ended up being in both my boxes. So I'm gonna have to go back in and really try to figure out how to spend that $12. Because if you don't know, on the Mega Drop Shop, there's a $25 minimum. So because I have that $12 credit, I have to spend at least $37 to be able to take that $12 off to be able to get that $25 or free shipping. So I got some work to do after I finish all this filming. So this is the second base box. I pay for my Boxycharm boxes. I get, like I said, 2 base and 2 premium. My 2 premiums are already up, so if you haven't seen those are great. And based on if this is, I'm saying this is my second, you know that there is a first. So if you haven't seen that one, I would suggest you watch that one too, because like I said, everything was different except for 1 item. All right, starting with was on my wants list, This is from Complex Culture. It is the Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Quad. I got it in the shade called In the Moment. When I saw somebody open this up on their PR package, and I only got to watch a couple of girls because we're getting our packages pretty much the same time as the PR people. And what ended up happening was I had the opportunity to go on Complex Culture's website, and they have this available in 3 different shades, but it never said, even on their website, which ones they would recommend for which skin tone. So I really don't know which one this is, if this is more geared towards the light or more towards the medium versus the tan. So this one says, go for the glow with this creamy, blendable, foursome infused with skin loving ingredients. It is a buildable formula that is baked to perfection to intensify your pigment for a vibrant color that lasts. Enjoy the dewy effects of a liquid in a convenience of a powder for a healthy dose of color. They're saying this is a brand new launch that we're getting in our boxes, and this is a $42 value. I am enjoying so much the Complex Culture. I have tried so much from their brand, and there has not been a dud yet. The packaging on this is always so high-end and very, very luxe. And if you're not familiar, this is a brand that Ipsy also has a manufacturing company called Made for Collection or Collective. And they do Item Beauty. They started with Complex Culture, and then they also do Treslucé. And these are all brands now that are becoming names in the marketplaces in full retail, like the Sephora's and the Ultra World. So they're not playing around. They really put together a good group of people that really saw what we loved in the luxury end and then gave it to us in these, these are fantastic, fantastic products. So this is a $42 retail product. It has a full, beautiful, beautiful mirror. The packaging, the brushes, everything with Complex Culture has been high-end to me. And I had the opportunity to try a lot of high-end products in my life, as well as, you know, drugstore and things like that. And this to me is right on par with a lot of my high-end. But this is the gorgeous palette that is inside here. So it looks like we have like almost like 2 contour shades, and maybe if, you know, one we could use as a bronzer, and then 2 beautiful highlighters. And the names of it are on the back here. The 2 highlighters are called Aurora and Cloud 9, and the other one is called Play and Fung, I think. And so let's just take some swatches here. So the shade Play, I think I have it in a dual compact already, and I think I use it as a bronzer. But look at the shades. Is that not beyond? Look what I'm talking about. It is just gorgeous. All right, I have a dry cloth here and a wet cloth, and I'm gonna just swatch the bottom 2 as well. And those are what those look like here. Yeah. So these are more on the lighter tone, but for me, a medium skin type, I'm light, medium, this would be perfect. So definitely one for contour, and definitely one I can use to bronze up my skin. Really, really beautiful. I'm impressed with this. This was on my wants list. If it didn't show up in my boxes, it was definitely one that I was going to put that $12 towards. So excited about the first item on the card and in the box. The next item I pulled from my stash. So this one here is the one that came in the box. This one is from Glow Recipe. It is the Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And I'm not sure which box I got this in the past, but it is a brand that I'm enjoying so much. Another brand that everything that I have tried has been an absolute home run. This, like I said, is from Glow Recipe. It is called the Plump Hyaluronic Serum. It is also a $42 value. And remember, we're talking the base box. The base box is an under $30 box. This one here says this is a concentrated formula. It is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This is a silky water gel serum that features a unique blend of 3 types of plum. It has hyaluronic acid and is also a vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin, and it will give us a deeper hydration. Like I said, this is a $42 value on its own, and it's just a simple pull off stopper, and then it has the pump on here, and I'm just going to pump a little bit on my skin here. It has more of that watery texture, and as I share with you all the time, what I have learned through the years, the thinner the actual product, that is what you want to put on your skin first. So that's why essences are more of a water, then you go to serums, then you go to moisturizer. You always want to go with the thinnest consistency first, so that can have the area where it can go deeper into your skin and you'll get more benefits out of the product. So this is such a hydrating and beautiful, beautiful product. So excited that so many of you are going to get this in your box. The next one in here is the Item Beauty, which was my choice item. And this one should be in my lighter color. Yeah, this is in 110 is the shade. And this is the concealer here. Like I mentioned in the previous video that we opened up box 1, the shade that I chose in there, I chose more of a light, medium that I can use to areas where if my foundation is broken through during the day, or if I ate and wiped my chin and I end up, you know, that you see more of my skin than my foundation through, that's what I figured I would use the darker shade for if I blow my nose a lot and where the redness is. When I choose the lighter shades, that's what I always choose to go underneath my eyes to give it more brightness. The middle of my forehead, right down the middle of my head. So pretty much that letter T is what I try to do, but not the TT like that, like more like a cross, right down here, and then the T would be down under both eyes. That is what I like to use my lighter numbers for. So this one says, when you need to coarse product, the medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. This is a white light formula that features this Carica papaya fruit extract that delivers a boost of yummy antioxidants like vitamin C and lends a smooth, seamless finish. It is a pillowy texture that glides on effortlessly and melts into your skin without a crease in sight. And this is an $18 value. Now, this item here, what is great about it is I picked up it originally when it first launched. They had it available in the add-on section at Ipsy, and I grabbed it because I'm always interested in new concealers. Actually, Dominique Cosmetics just came out with her first concealer too, and I'm so excited about that one as well. So hopefully she's got some good relationship on a lot of the boxes that I get. So hopefully I'll be able to, maybe she'll share with us a launch item from that. If not, it is definitely one that is on my wants list. So this one is here, and I love concealers. I think they're so multi-purpose. They're the type that if your foundation isn't the right color, you could mix in, and especially when it's a medium to full coverage. And this one is in number 110. So excited about that. The next item in here, I'm so excited about everything because this was also on my wants list that I was gonna spend the money on if it wasn't in the boxes, and I got this in this box, and this is from Cab. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I go through these like water, and I've already tried the pink one, the purple one, and the blue one, and now I got 2 more colors, and this box had both these colors in it. This is the lip oil from Cab, and if you haven't tried these, if you don't get the boxes, or you don't get the boxes anymore, or you only get the premium and not the base, this is one that I would definitely choose for myself in the add-on sale. So this one on the Mega Drop Such sale is what it's going on now. So this one is the Lemon and Lime Lip Oil Duo, and they're saying now with a juicy lemon and lime scent in 2 new shades, your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration. Swipe this formula on for the comfortable, juicy lips all day long, and this is a $39 value on its own. If you're not familiar with the Cab line, it is actually through one of those Bravo families. It's the mother, she did that song, Don't Be Tardy, and then she had her own spin-off show. I think she started off in the Atlanta Housewives, which is the one I never got into, but I do watch a couple of the other ones. But I did watch her show with her 2 daughters, and it's unbelievable. They love makeup, they love all that stuff. So when they came out with their own line of makeup, I thought it was such a treat. So, but this product in particular is one that I highly, highly recommend. It has a huge doe foot applicator, and the scents are, this does smell like lime, are very, very minor. You don't have to worry if scents give you headaches or anything like that, because that's always my concern because I am a migraine sufferer. So this is something that I'm always concerned about, and this one does smell more like a lemon lime. So these are both 2 new ones for me, and like I said, these was going to be on my wants list, and now I got it in my box, which is so fantastic. And then the last item was the only one that was a duplicate. It came in this gorgeous shiny box, and it is from YENSA, and it was the sponge. And it was fun, a couple of comments that I had the opportunity to read that you guys left for me, because I was able to find every product that was going to be in our base boxes, which is always something I look for, because I always want to make sure that before I start doing my shopping in the Mega Drop Shop, that I wanted to know if I didn't get it in my box, what did I miss out? Because they only show some items that may be in the base box with that little banner. And this was one of the items that was in there, and a couple of you wrote that if I get this in my box, I'm going to be so disappointed. Beauty blender sponges are something that I use every single day, and I love having the opportunity to try new ones, and they usually have different formulations to it, how the sponge is made, the actual type of foam, the formulation of how to make the foam. My background is more like home healthcare industry and stuff like that, and we had our own line of products that were had a lot to do with foam, and there's so many different variations and densities and things like that that go into that. And so I'm always interested to see everything about this. So this feels a little bit firm to the touch, but you always wet these sponges. They expand and then they get a lot softer. So excited to have the opportunity to try this. And I also like that it has all of the different ways that it's cut. So you could use it for different areas of your face for different things. So really excited about that. And that's everything that I got in my second base box. Like I said, I'm going to be filming a lot today. Please be with me and join me, and make sure to leave in the comments that you've seen my other videos and which ones you've seen, and so I'll know that either I should stockpile and then release them a little at a time, or you're enjoying that I'm releasing them as I get them in, because when I know something, I always want to make sure that you guys know it too, and it's very hard for me to keep a secret. So I already know what is coming forward, and I'm so excited for you guys to have the opportunity to watch the videos that I have coming to you over the next day or two. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.